Hi everybody, Mr. Seward here. And today I want to say thanks for watching this video. I'm going to show you how to take your assembly drawing, add bubbles and parts list to this drawing. So first thing you need to do is we need to go back. I'm going to move my little screencastify thing off to the side here. I'm going to go back to the actual assembly. And over here on the right-hand side, you're going to see three icons. And I'm going to go to this top one that says BOM Table. Now, BOM is referred to as BOM. So we've got parts in this assembly. This L-shaped part, if I click on it right here, that's part number one. It's the first part we put in. And that is the green part. So it's right here. So I'm going to go back to my assembly drawing. So you're going to see right here in this table right here, you're going to see part number and description. And I'm actually going to right click on part number and say remove column. So I'm going to leave description here. And I'm going to put in the name of that part, which is green. Okay. So green is the first one. Now the second one, and I can just click on this and it'll show me which one it is. So I'll click over here, and that is the blue part. All right, let's try this one. This is the orange part. This next one down, let's see which one is the next one down. This is the red one. And then the last one is the black one. Okay. And then I can collapse that menu. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my drawing of the assembly. And I'll move this over to the side. So I'll just click on it and drag it over. And the first thing I want to do is I want to put in the BOM, the BOM. So that is right here. It's called BOM Table. And I'm going to click on that. And there's two different types of BOMs that you can put in. There is the BOM type, it says flattened here. You can also put in what they call structured or top level or structured multi-level. These refer to things when you have sub-assemblies, and we're not going to do that. We don't have any sub-assemblies in this, so I'm just going to get rid of that right now. Now, so here's the table. I'm going to bring this over. I'm just going to zoom in on this area up here. I want to get as close to this corner as I can, but not have to be in it. And that brings in my table. Now, to do an update on this so that the column disappears and I just end up with description and those names in here, I have to hit this little yellow like circular icon. That's called regeneration. And now I get the item number, number one, and then I get the, I also get, push the F key, by the way, to bring me to full. Whoops. All right, there we go. I get the quantity and I get the description that I just typed in. So I have to type in the descriptions back on the actual assembly part, not on the drawing. Now, I'm going to put in the bubbles, and the bubbles are right here. And is all you do to do the bubbles is, and we'll zoom in on this a little bit, is you go to like a corner of something and you click. And what you'll notice is that this is item number one, and there's the number one. When I do this item right here, number 5, that's the black part. You don't have to necessarily click on the edge of something or the corner of something. You can click on an edge. Like here, I'm going to get the edge of this one. And you bring these things out at a little bit of an angle away from your thing that you're actually working on. Okay. Now this box up here, this is kind of an interesting little thing that, whoops, I could show you a little bit better. Let's see, table properties. I can change. This is set to item number right now. I can change it to the word description. And oopsie, I goofed. Well, anyways, you can change these descriptors in here by going and changing that in the BOM. I imagine if I want to edit that, I can probably double click on this. Nope, doesn't do it. Okay. So anyways, there's probably some way to edit that. I just don't know what it is. So first step, you have to go back to the assembly part and go get the BOM table and put the description in, delete part, and then you actually have to come out and insert the BOM and then insert the part numbers afterwards. Next thing is down here. We're going to get some things that come in automatically, like the word Peter, my name, your name will appear on yours, the date. You're going to double click and put in puzzle cube, and really that's it. Once you have this done for your drawing, whatever you're drawing, whether it's a puzzle cube or something more intricate, you are going to actually print this out and put it into the turn-in box.